Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to dive into a cool tax formula in Power BI that can personalize your report by displaying a dynamic rating based on the current time. First thing to do is to go to your table view. When you come to your table tools tab under your calculations group, click on new column. Once you click on new column, allow it to load. Then you give it a name, let's say rating, your equal sign. Click on your Alt Enter. So after doing that, you create a variable. So variable, let's say current hour. So we've declared a variable called current hour. So I'm going to be fetching the current date and time. So for you to fetch the current date and time, we use the formula called hour. And now, can you see that? So this hour, we extract the components. So this hour, we extract our component from this timestamp, giving us a number between 0 and 23. And this now, it will fetch the current date and time. This hour here, this hour, it will extract the hour component from this timestamp, giving us a number between 0 and 23. Also, this now, it fetches the current date and time. After doing that, you press your Alt Enter for it to continue with the formula. Then type return. Let's make it in letter. Sorry. Then after doing that, we're going to be writing the like conditional logic with the if statement. So return if okay, sorry, I forgot to close this bracket as well. Showing error. So we're writing a conditional if statement. So return if current hour is less than 12, be good morning. Comma, if current hour, if it is less than, that is 4 p.m., it is less than 4 p.m. So if it is in between 12 and 16, you what? Good afternoon. To comma and good evening. Then close your bracket. Let me explain this. First condition saying if the current hour is less than 12, formula will return morning. That is 10 a.m., 9 a.m., 11 a.m. It will be good morning. Then the second condition is saying if the current hour is less than 16 but greater than or equal to 12, it should return good afternoon. If either of these condition is met, it is meaning the time is 4 p.m. or later, it returns good evening. So let's say the time is 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m. like that. It will be good evening. So this structure allows your report to automatically adjust the grading depending on when your dashboard is being viewed. All you have to do is to click on the button here. You can see good afternoon because So let's display that on the card view. Can you see? Good afternoon, guys. Can you see? Good afternoon. This is the current time. We're in the afternoon. See? Thank you very much.